guys, welcome back. I started out working on some of the projects that I had started and finishing them up. So here I didn't finish painting the trim completely, so I wanted to start that today before I began a new project. I moved inside of the house and took some of the tape off the wall and prepared some rooms for painting. Also, I fixed one of the windows that was broke. And then the master bathroom caught my attention. It was in need of a lot of TLC. I moved the dresser out of the way, and I think this is the perfect spot for it. Also, it needs a little bit of cleaning, but it had this cute little soap wrap something in. So the soap, I guess you put soap in there. I don't know. The things I needed were rags, leftover soap, white vinegar, a hand vacuum, a broom, a dustpan, OxyClean cleaner, any kind, and some Ajax. I also had a bucket of water, I just didn't show it in the clip. Hi guys, so this is where I stopped. It took a little bit more than I thought to clean the bathroom. So I was really just cleaning it to see if I wanted to keep the sinks, the tub, or the shower. The tub is pretty decent. I was able to scrub all of the whatever it was in there out. I was able to clean out the sinks, but when I realized they were like plastic, I didn't want to keep them anymore. And the shower is really decent, so I'm planning to keep the shower as well. So it was worth it. Hopefully soon I can finish a room so that you can, you know, have something to look forward to. I'm really looking forward to it too, but I'm really trying to just make sure that I know what I need to buy and, you know, help me decorate, to help me with the paint and the appliances and all of that. I'm really excited about that. I'm super tired from all that cleaning, but it was well worth it. Tune in next time to see some shoots of it being totally clean. Hopefully we can move on from there. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.